Steps from afar, drawing near until it hit my heart. Heard a knock, so I went to the door. Not like any knock I've heard before. This was very gentle in approach. Felt it came with happiness and hope. Now I feel my heart is beating fast. Open up to my surprise at last. Ya Allah, thank you for another chance standing at my door. Ya Allah, you given me hope. Delivered this gift right to my home. بالقرآن حل ليالنا بالقيام أهلا أهلا بالصيام يا رمضان يا رمضان شهر الرحمة والغفران مرحب مرحب يا رمضان أهلا أهلا بالصيام. To shower us with mercy just like rain, to make it easier to change ourselves. Protect me from this world and from myself. Oh, please keep me company, oh friend. You bless me and my hope once again. I'm fortunate I get another chance to witness these nights, so I raise my hands. Ya Allah, thank you for another chance standing at my door. Ya Allah, you given me hope. Delivered this gift right to my home. بالقرآن حل ليالنا بالقيام أهلا أهلا بالصيام يا رمضان يا رمضان شهر الرحمة والغفران مرحب مرحب يا رمضان أهلا أهلا بالصيام. بالقرآن حل ليالنا بالقيام أهلا أهلا بالصيام. You were sleepless, I know it wasn't easy, and you are the reason I'm here. And no other feeling can top what you mean to me. I owe you all of my years. I love you the most. I just want you to know you gave me the love I always need. My heart will always be your home. I'll be there forever and ever, wrapped up in endless love. X marks the spot, you're my treasure. Can't thank the Lord enough. You are my angel, my superhero. Forever I'm grateful. Always a part of me.